approaching a very critical stage of this project, where we all know that we need to complete the construction of the rig on a timely manner without giving any room for any delay. We can only achieve this if we maintain the teamwork spirit that we've been having, and that we put all the efforts and the concentration on the target dates as per and as we have agreed. And I'm sure the shipyard and the management are committed and willing to do